Apples are a good source of fiber, which helps promote healthy digestion and regular bowel movements. Eating apples can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. The antioxidants in apples can protect against oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Apples are low in calories and can aid in weight loss when incorporated into a healthy diet. The high fiber content in apples can help reduce cholesterol levels and improve heart health. Apples are a good source of vitamin C, which can boost immunity and promote skin health. The flavonoids in apples can help improve lung function and reduce the risk of respiratory diseases. Apples contain polyphenols that may help prevent the development of certain types of cancer. Eating apples can help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. The fiber in apples can help keep you feeling full and satisfied, reducing the urge to overeat. Apples are a natural breath freshener and can help reduce bacteria in the mouth that cause bad breath. The antioxidants in apples can protect against age-related cognitive decline and improve brain function. Eating apples may reduce the risk of stroke and improve overall cardiovascular health. The potassium in apples can help regulate fluid balance in the body and maintain healthy blood pressure. Apples contain quercetin, a compound that may help protect against allergic reactions and inflammation. The high fiber content in apples can help prevent constipation and promote regularity. Eating apples may help reduce the risk of certain digestive disorders, such as diverticulitis and irritable bowel syndrome. The flavonoids in apples can help improve eye health and reduce the risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Apples are a good source of boron, a mineral that can help promote strong bones and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Eating apples can provide a natural energy boost, thanks to their combination of fiber, carbohydrates, and natural sugars.